In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned grey. That means that auto rotation is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Devices Settings, tap on Display, scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!